Welcome to another amazing Hostinger discount coupon code video. In this video, I will reveal two of the finest discount coupon code through which you can get amazing discount plus step-by-step tutorial on how you can get as much as up to 91% discount when you buy your hosting from us. Guys, this is the maximum discount, and the discount may vary from the deal to deal and the month you're going to offer. So now let's get started. What you have to do is to make sure to click on the link in the description to get this amazing deals unlocked. So guys, this is an exclusive deal for my audience. So guys, to get this discount, make sure to click on the link in the description. Now, once you are landed on the Hostinger landing page, once you click on the link in the description, you can see an amazing deal running right now by Hostinger. If you scroll, but you can see that Hostinger has a standard 30 days money back guarantee. Now, this is valid on all of the plans. You get any plan, you're gonna get 30 days money back guarantee with all of the plans. The good thing about Hostinger is it's being recommended by WordPress.org and all of the famous websites around in the world recommend hosting from Hostinger with 4.7 or 4.8 out of 5 rating, which is a very good rating for any hosting company. Now, these are the three most popular plans, and again, as I told you, 30 days money back guarantee is included in all of the plans. And if you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger also has a Hostinger Horizon, where you can turn your idea into reality. You just have to give the command and it's going to create your software or app or website within minutes. You just have to give the command, it's automatically going to create. Hostinger also has a website migration service. So in case if you're coming from another hosting company to Hostinger with this discount coupon code deal, they are going to shift all of your website data free of cost. Be it a single or 100 websites, just have to fill the form and the team is going to shift all of your website and do the hassle for you. And this is the Hostinger control panel with the name of each panel. This is one of the finest control panel they introduce, which is very easy to use. Even a beginner, even a newbie can operate it without any hassle, which is a very good thing regarding Hostinger. Hostinger also do not compromise the speed, reliability, efficiency, and they have local data centers all around the world in the different locations in the world. Plus, Hostinger provides faster speed and they have a 24/7 support. The security features are just mind-blowing. You're getting automatic backups, two-factor authentication, unlimited SSL security certificates, plus DDoS attacks prevention with the cloud-ware protected name server technology. And at this moment, 3 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, and even I'm using it. And if you want to enjoy the discount deal, simply scroll above and choose any plan. I highly recommend you guys to simply select the see all features and do a thorough comparison of all the plan features before you're going to get one. After you are done, simply select the choose plan with any plan. Guys, again, you can see the discount may vary. Now I'm going to tell you how you can get as much possible discount. So once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to this page, and here you can select your billing period and use either of the coupon code over here. You can see over here the page is loaded. You can see that this is a special deal running right now. So guys, please try to understand that you're getting 3 months extra free. So also you're getting your free domain as well. So you can calculate that on as well. So now selecting your billing period, higher the billing period, the more the discount you're going to get with Hostinger. So at this moment you are saving up to $432. Now I have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply apply over here, and you're gonna see that your price is going to get a further discount on already running discount deal. So now you're getting 10% from this, 75% from this, also at 3 months, and a free domain as well, going as far as up to 91%. And you can use another discount coupon code as well, and it is the name of HI10. So you can use that as the coupon code to get the discount at Hostinger. And after this, simply select the continue over here and move on to the last part. And you can see over here your order summary over here. You can see over here your order summary. So you can see that the discount has even raised, and you can get even more discount if you can use that calculation. Plus write your billing details over here, and after this simply select the continue. You may be asked to log into your Google account, or you may be asked to create your own account at Hostinger. And after this, the last part is processing your payment to get the discount deal. Now Hostinger offer a variety of payment methods. You can pay by credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, or you can use cryptocurrencies via CoinGate. So you can use either of the payment methods. So you can use any as per your convenience. Let's say we're going with a credit card. Simply select write credit card details and simply select the submit button. And that's how you can claim this amazing discount at Hostinger. So just for a revision, I'm using it from the last 3 years, and my experience so far is very good, and highly recommend you guys to use the Hostinger hosting discount. So what you have to do is simply click on the link in the description and follow the buy now procedure and use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.